Hi, my name is Rob. I work as a support technician in CCTV and security equipment. Over the years, I've supported and tested a lot of great products, and one of my favourites is the Voice Off. The Voice Off is a versatile box of tricks. It can warn off intruders, welcome your guests, and even inform your visitors at your property of important information. The Voice Off is very easy to use and very easy to fit. So let's look at how the Voice Off works. The Voice Off is really 4 products rolled into one. An MP3 player that can play pre-recorded messages from an internal micro SD card, a high quality audio amplifier so you can hear the messages loud and clear, an externally rated speaker so you can use the Voice Off in any location, and 10 alarm inputs which start the messages playing when you want them to. For example, to warn away intruders from your storage yard. To trigger the Voice Off to play a message, all you need to do is connect a PIR, door contact, or a push button. It really is that simple. So by connecting a door contact to alarm input 1, when the door is opened, it would play message 1. Connect a push button to alarm input 2, and the Voice Off would play message number 2 when the button is pressed. I said it's simple, and it really is. There are other ways you can trigger the Voice Off to play a message, which includes sending it commands through its RS-232 and RS-485 interface. So it's a great addition to integrate with other equipment, such as access control or CCTV systems. So let's have a look inside the Voice Off. These 4 screws hold the Voice Off lid on. So step 1 is to remove these. Now removing the lid, you can see the internal PCB, and this is connected to a speaker built into the Voice Off lid. On the PCB is where all the magic happens. This is where the micro SD card is slotted in to store the MP3 messages. The micro SD card stores up to 9,999 MP3 message and sound files. This section of the PCB is to allow up to 10 simple hardwired devices to trigger the Voice Off through these 10 alarm inputs. This section is a high-performance stereo amplifier. Only one side of the amplifier is used to power the one speaker built into the Voice Off lid. The other spare channel is used to drive a Voice Off extension speaker. For instance, if you want the Voice Off to play its message in 2 different areas. This control allows you to adjust the volume of the Voice Off. This line input allows you to connect another device to the Voice Off and play audio through it. Typically, you would use this for Talkback through DVRs and NVRs. Here's the RS-232 and 485 terminals. These allow you to connect and trigger the Voice Off using computer commands. Here's a relay out. These contacts change state when you play a message so you can use them as a basic interface with other devices. And then we have the line out. This allows you to feed the Voice Off audio through another amplifier. Let's power the Voice Off and see it working. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm using a standard off-the-shelf 1 amp 12 volt power supply. Connect the positive and negative to the Voice Off power terminals. Once the power is connected, switch on or plug in the power supply. Now all that is needed to trigger the Voice Off is to simply connect one of its 10 alarm inputs to ground. To make things even easier, the Voice Off is supplied with this test lead, so it's simple to test the Voice Off right out of the box. One end of the lead is already connected to ground, so all I need to do is touch an alarm input to trigger the Voice Off.
You have been detected in an unauthorized area. Please leave the area or the police will be called.
That's it! A Voice Off powered up and working. It's that easy. In the real world, you would use a door contact, PIR, brake beam, or push button, or something else to trigger the messages to play. In our own reception area, we use a Voice Off connected to a doorbell. It triggers the Voice Off and plays a welcoming message. I've already put this on the SD card, so let's have a listen to it.
Welcome. Please help yourself to the self-service coffee and someone will attend to you shortly.
It's that easy, you can be up and running in minutes. You can record your own messages or buy professional pre-recorded ones from the website, voiceoff.com. The Voice Off itself comes with 5 free MP3 messages. So out of the box, you will be up and running straight away. Once you have got your Voice Off and had a look at it on the bench, you will need to fit it, which again is an easy job. VoiceOFF is fast and easy to install. You won't need any special tools other than what's in your toolbox already. A drill, a normal and a precision screwdriver set, plus suitable wall plugs and screws for the wall where you've decided to mount the unit. We'd normally recommend installing the speaker about 2 foot above head height, but you could install it into the ceiling of a waiting room or above a door. In terms of cabling the VoiceOFF, all you need is a low-cost alarm or Cat5 cable to each of the 10 alarm input ports. These simply need to supply a volt-free contact to play the message file associated with it. The unit also needs a 1 amp 12 volt DC supply. This could be local or fitted centrally to power other devices on your CCTV or alarm system. Installing the VoiceOFF is that easy. VoiceOFF is a great standalone security device, but also a superb add-on to a CCTV security system, as it features a line input so you can make live voice announcements to visitors or intruders approaching the VoiceOFF area. You can even link this feature with a compatible DVR or NVR recording device for live talkback over a network and even the internet. Most commonly used to protect your property by deterring vandals or scaring away intruders, the VoiceOFF can also be used to welcome visitors or inform staff of important information. The uses for VoiceOFF are only limited by your imagination. Here are some examples of our best-selling pre-recorded messages.
Warning: 24-hour CCTV is in operation in this area.
Please stand back, doors opening.
Please feel free to help yourself to the tea or coffee provided.
Alarm now setting.
Please stand back, doors closing.
Thank you for visiting today. We look forward to your return.
Thanks for watching this video. For more information on the VoiceOFF product, visit voiceoff.com and download the full literature file from there.